Like a lot of championships around the world, the Australian Rally Championship is no different by having a control tyre. The idea being that we can create an even playing field and try and kick some of the costs down. Interestingly, we're into our 5th year with Kumho as a commercial partner, but our first season with the Classics. Neil Bates, a lot of people thought you may even go a little bit slower this season in your Classics Liga, but it hasn't been the case.
Yeah, look, I was probably one of them. Obviously, I've been when I was a factory driver, I was a Michelin man, and then, we had to run a control tyre this year, and I probably wasn't very happy about that, but I was very, very impressed when I put them on the car. And, probably an illustration of that is that when we went over to Targo Rally, which, is open tyres, and we're allowed to use anything, we used a combination of Michelins and Kumhos, and there was places where the Michelins are better and there's places where the Kumhos are better. And I had people for 2 years with this car telling me that if I used a control tyre I'd be going backwards and wouldn't be as fast as them, and certainly hasn't been the case.
And of course the result in Otago does show that.
Yeah, look, we won Otago 2 years in a row, and if I have a look at the British Classic Rally Championship, it was won by a car on Kumho, so I've been very, very impressed.
Yeah, and of course the good thing is, mate, you're paying for them yourself. Good for some.
Yeah, well, I prefer not to be paying for them. Are you listening to that, Kumho?
Thank you, mate. Well done.